You are born into a world already tightening. A small apartment, thin walls, voices whispering at night. Your mother tells you to stay quiet. Your father doesn't look at you when he comes home. You learn early that silence keeps you safe. You wake up before dawn. Gray light leaks through a cracked window. The air smells of boiled cabbage and damp fabric. Your stomach aches. It always does. You hear boots in the street sometimes, loud, organized, final. You don't ask questions. School is not about learning. It is about repeating, obeying, watching what you say. You memorize words you don't understand. You raise your hand when told. You lower your eyes when corrected. One boy disappears. No one says why. You grow taller, thinner, hungrier. Your father stops speaking entirely. Your mother folds clothes slower now, as if time itself might punish her for moving too fast. One night, the boots stop at your door. A knock, hard, certain. Your mother freezes. Your father doesn't move. The door opens anyway. Men in uniforms, cold eyes, clean gloves. They don't shout. They don't need to. You are told to gather your things. You have nothing to gather. You step outside. The air is colder than usual. Neighbors watch through curtains. No one opens a door. You are pushed into a truck. Metal walls, no seats, bodies pressed together. Someone is crying. Someone is praying. Someone is already silent. The truck moves. You don't know where you are going. You arrive at a place surrounded by wire, barbed, endless, watching you back. Smoke rises in the distance, thick, constant. It smells wrong, sweet, burnt, heavy. You are ordered out.
Shouting now, dogs barking, boots hitting mud. You stumble. Someone falls. They don't get up. You are separated. Men to one side, women to another. You lose your mother in seconds. You never see her again. You stand in a line. A man looks at you, not at your face, at your body, your arms, your legs. He points. Left. You don't know what it means. You will. Your clothes are taken. Everything, even your name. Cold air bites your skin. You are shaved, sprayed, scrubbed, processed. You are given a number. That is what you are now. You are marched into a barrack. Wooden bunks, 3 levels high. Bodies stacked like storage. The smell is immediate. Sweat, rot, waste, infection. You are given a space the size of your shoulders. You lie down. You do not sleep. Morning is not announced. It is forced. Shouting, whistles, kicks. You stand outside in rows, counted, recounted, counted again. If one is missing, all suffer. Cold bites through your bones. You shake. You are told to stop. You learn quickly, movement is dangerous. Work begins. You carry stones, heavy, endless, back and forth. No purpose, just movement. Your hands split open. Blood mixes with dirt. No one cares. You are hungry, always. A piece of bread, thin soup, that is all. You eat slowly at first, then faster, then like an animal. People steal. You learn to hide food. You learn to fight for crumbs. A man next to you collapses one day. He is not old. He is not sick. He just stops. The guards don't rush. They watch. Then they beat him anyway, to make a point. You keep moving. Days blur, then weeks, then something longer. Time loses shape. You stop thinking about the past. It hurts too much.
You focus on surviving the next hour. Winter comes. The cold is different here. It is not just outside. It is inside your bones, your lungs, your thoughts. You wake up with ice on your skin. People don't wake up at all. Their bodies stay in the bunks until morning count. You are told to carry them out. They are lighter than they should be. You stop reacting. A guard notices you looking at the smoke one day. He smiles. He tells you what it is. You understand. Your stomach turns. There is nothing inside it to lose. After that, the smoke is all you can see. You wonder if your mother is there. You stop wondering. It is easier. A new group arrives. They look like you did once. Confused, frightened, still human. You watch them. You see how quickly it leaves. One of them asks you a question. You don't answer. Words are a risk now. A friend forms without speaking. You share bread, glances, silence. One night he doesn't return. You do not ask why. You already know. Your body changes. Bones push through skin. Your ribs count themselves. Your legs shake even when still. You cough. At first it is small.
Then deeper. Then blood. No doctor comes. No one heals here. Selections begin. Lines again. You stand with others. A man walks past, pointing. Left. Right. You try to stand straighter, stronger, alive. Your turn comes. He hesitates, then points. Right. You don't know if that is good, but you are still here, for now. Work becomes harder, or maybe you are weaker. The stones feel heavier, the distance longer, the guards more impatient. One day you fall, just for a second, just enough. A boot hits your ribs, air leaves your body. You try to stand, your legs don't listen. Another hit, then another. You manage to get up. You keep moving. You always keep moving, because stopping means ending. Spring comes, but you don't feel it. The ground softens, the mud deepens. Your feet are always wet now. Infection spreads. A wound on your leg grows dark. You ignore it. Everyone ignores everything. It is the only way. Bombs in the distance one night. Different sounds. Closer. The guards are tense. More shouting. Less control. Something is changing. Hope appears. It is dangerous. You feel it anyway. Days later, the camp shifts. Fewer guards. More chaos. Then orders. You are marched. Out of the camp. Into the open. A line of bodies moving across frozen ground. This is not freedom. This is something else. You walk for hours, days. No food, no rest. People fall. They are left or shot. You keep walking. Your leg burns. Your chest tears with every breath. You are not surviving anymore. You are delaying. One morning, you cannot stand. You try. Your body refuses. You fall into the snow. It is quiet there. For the first time in a long time, no one is shouting. You see the sky, gray, endless. You think of nothing. A shadow stands over you. You don't look up. You don't need to. A sound. Sharp. Final. Then nothing. You lived. Approximately 17 years. Less than 1 year in the camp. 0 days of freedom after capture. You gained survival instinct, silence, endurance beyond reason. You lost Your name, your family, your body, your future. Your body is left in the snow. No grave, no marker, no record that matters. The world moves on, but places like this do not disappear. They remain in memory, in warning. You wanted to live. This was the cost. Remember it.